This fertilizer made my tomatoes start growing almost instantly. It works like rocket fuel for plant growth. This fertilizer will help protect your seedlings from late spring cold snaps and unexpected frost. Prepare 2 plastic bottles cut in half. Pour about 1 quart of water into one bottle and add water to the second bottle as well. The first ingredient is milk, which is rich in calcium, supports plant development, and helps improve fruit production. Measure out about half a cup of milk and pour it into one bottle. Then repeat the same step by adding another half cup of milk to the second bottle. The next ingredient is iodine, which improves plant resistance and supports healthy growth, especially during harsh weather conditions. Add a few drops of iodine to the water in one bottle and mix thoroughly. Repeat the same process with the second bottle by adding a few drops of iodine. Now, one bottle is ready to use, and you can immediately water your seedlings with it. The fertilizer will go straight to the roots, supporting strong and healthy growth. Next, prepare a spray bottle, pour the mixture into it, close it, and spray the plants. This mixture will protect the leaves, support their development, and improve the overall condition of the plants. Regular use of this fertilizer will ensure healthy growth and abundant harvests. This fertilizer is also excellent protection against late spring frost, which can destroy young plants. Thanks to this, your seedlings will survive unfavorable weather conditions and continue growing at full strength. An experienced gardener shared this year-round method for growing garlic with me. Take a fairly large plastic bottle and cut off the top at about 3/4 of its height. Unscrew the cap and make a small hole in the center using scissors. Take a strip of paper towel and thread it through the hole in the cap. Pull it through the neck of the bottle and screw the cap back on. Place the top part upside down into the bottom to create 2 levels. Fill the upper section with potting soil, cover it well, and lightly moisten it with water. Peel several garlic cloves and place them fairly close together in the soil until the surface is evenly filled. When everything is ready, pour a generous amount of water into the lower section and set the prepared top part with the garlic inside it. Lightly mist the soil and cloves to ensure proper moisture. This creates a self-watering bottle planter that will gradually supply water to the soil. The strip of paper towel slowly transports water from the lower reservoir into the soil. Place the bottle on a windowsill so it gets natural light. With this method, you'll quickly see how to grow garlic chives at home. You'll gain a steady supply of fresh, aromatic greens for sandwiches, salads, and hot meals. It's the easiest way to grow garlic at home using a bottle. 3 ways to plant tomatoes that will make a real difference in your garden. These are tricks they teach in horticulture school. Tomatoes are among the most popular vegetables grown in gardens and on balconies. To grow into strong and healthy plants, they need the right care. Many people don't realize that the very method of planting a tomato has a huge impact on its development, how it grows, how strong its root system becomes, and how many fruits it produces. Let me show you 3 different methods. Each one works, but each gives a different result, so watch closely. In the first method, start by properly preparing the seedling. Remove the lowest leaves and side shoots right at the base. Then plant the seedling very deep, up to half its height. Wondering why? The tomato stem will grow roots wherever it touches soil. The deeper you plant it, the stronger the root system it will develop. The plant will be healthier, and the harvest will be much bigger. The classic method is the most well-known. Plant the tomato vertically without cutting off any leaves. Just bury the root ball up to the soil level. It's quick and convenient, perfect for beginners. However, this method won't produce as strong a root system as the first one. The final method is the most interesting. Cut off a few of the lowest branches, then plant the seedling at an angle, so that the stem lies slightly diagonally in the soil, with just the top sticking out. This method makes the plant develop faster, bloom sooner, and bear fruit earlier. 1 tomato, 3 planting techniques. Choose the perfect one for your garden. The secret powder that will accelerate the growth of your seedlings and repel insects. It's completely natural and used by every experienced gardener. You won't find this in a garden store. After using it, plants have thick stems and leaves. They're much more resistant to diseases and changing weather conditions. Even the weakest, most fragile seedlings start growing like crazy. Anyone who has tried growing plants from seedlings knows it's not that simple. To grow well, seedlings need more than just water and light. I know a method that works wonders. The solution is literally in your kitchen, an ingredient that almost no one talks about but has amazing properties. It acts as an antioxidant for plants. It stimulates growth, strengthens the root system, and repels pests, especially aphids. This secret powder is the peel of one of the citrus fruits. Peel a few oranges, then dry the peels thoroughly. Once they're hard, grind them into a fine powder in a blender. This natural homemade powder is the best growth stimulant. Just 1 tablespoon is enough, but that's not all. In a separate container, add 5 tablespoons of citrus powder and pour in 1 liter of warm water. Let it sit for half an hour, then strain it. Use this spray twice a week. Your plants will grow faster, healthier, and more luxuriant. Even frail seedlings will become strong and healthy. A way to plant geraniums without breaking stems or damaging roots. All you need is a simple gardening trick with flower pots. Planting flowers in balcony boxes becomes so easy with this method, it surprises everyone. When you buy geraniums, take them out of their pots. Put some soil at the bottom of your planter box. Place the empty geranium pots on top. Now add more soil, carefully filling it around the pots. When the box is full, remove the empty pots. Done. You now have perfect holes ready for planting your geraniums. Just insert the flowers, and that's it. You can hang the boxes on your balcony right away. If you're planting trailing geraniums, remove them from their pots too. Add soil to the bottom of your box. Place the empty pots at a slight angle and keep filling in soil. When the box is full, take the pots out and plant the geraniums in the ready-made spaces. This way you won't damage the plants, bend the stems, or disturb the roots. It's a simple trick you can use for planting any kind of flowers. You must do this if you want healthy and strong seedlings. Start by preparing an egg carton. It's a great biodegradable container that maintains the right humidity. Next, take a few eggshells. They're a natural source of calcium. Add a small amount of soil to each eggshell. Now it's time for the seeds. Choose any kind: tomatoes, cucumbers, or flowers. Place 1 seed in each eggshell, then cover them with a thin layer of soil. Spray the entire setup with chamomile tea, which has antibacterial properties and protects young plants from diseases. Your eco-friendly mini greenhouse is ready. Now all you need is a little patience. Within a few days, you'll notice the first sprouts. Day by day, they will grow faster until they're ready to be transplanted. It's a simple, natural, and inexpensive way to grow plants at home. Your eco-friendly mini greenhouse is ready. Don't throw away plastic bottles if you want a beautiful garden. Start by drawing 3 circles using a bottle cap as a template. Use a soldering iron to cut out the holes. This step requires precision, so move slowly and carefully. Take plastic cups and cut off part of the base with the wall. This is a very important step. Fill each cup with well-suited soil. Now add seeds of any herbs, vegetables, or other seedlings. Gently cover the seeds with soil. Place 2 cups into the holes in the bottle. Pour water through the last hole slowly until the cups are slightly submerged. Finally, insert the 3rd cup into the last hole, and you're done. The water will slowly pass through the cut holes, ensuring the soil stays properly moist. These self-watering seedling pots are the perfect solution if you don't have time for daily watering. Try this trick and enjoy your own little green corner without any effort. Don't throw away eggshells. They have valuable properties that you probably didn't know about. Start collecting them. After boiling eggs or making scrambled eggs, set aside the eggshells. Wash them thoroughly to remove any egg white residue and leave them to dry. Prepare a plastic bag, place the eggshells inside, and start crushing them by hand into smaller pieces. Then, take a tall jar and use the bottom to crush the eggshells. Move the jar's bottom over the shells until you get a fine powder. You can also use the side of the jar to crush them further. Transfer the powder into a container. The powder from eggshells is rich in calcium and other minerals. Calcium is essential for plants, especially tomatoes, to grow healthy and produce fruit. That's why I add 1 tablespoon to tomato seedlings. Use eggshells and take care of your plants. This will reduce waste and improve the soil quality in your garden.